Welcome to the Canary Islands, the 7 little pieces of paradise just off the coast of Morocco. We cycled all 7 in September and October of 2018, discovered the beauty, biodiversity and tasty foods they have to offer.
It's time for gazpacho!
And connected throughout them by ferry. Now it's time to take you along our 7 weeks on 7 islands and to show them to you from our bicycle perspective. This is Cycling the Canary Islands. Welcome to Gran Canaria. With mountains higher than the Lofoten Islands, an abundance of sunshine, palm trees, ancient history, and the curviest roads. This is the island on which the climbs paid off most, the sweat answered by spectacular views, a feeling of being tinier than nature. It was also the place where we encountered a pretty special something. So we are in a tunnel right now, the tunnel that goes from El Risco up to La Aldea, and what's happening here?
Well, we could enter, and as soon as we entered, there was this arrows pointing to the left because it says there's a cyclist on the right lane.
So they detect you.
They detect you and they tell cars to go to the left. That's awesome.
¿Se puede acercar al poste de emergencia, por favor?
Ya estoy.
Vale, mira, por favor, sigan hacia adelante y no se estén parando dentro del túnel y no vuelvan a hacer lo que acaban de hacer, de meterse en dirección contraria.
Sí, perdón. Nos ha sorprendido lo del cartel.
¿Eh?
Que nos ha sorprendido lo del cartel.
Sí, es que se les pone por seguridad, pero no estén metiendo en dirección contraria ni nada y continúen sin parar, por favor.
Vale, gracias.
So obviously you don't want to stop and start filming in this tunnel. We just wanted to point out that this tunnel we've never really seen before, this kind of tunnel, where the cyclists are actually monitored. You go in, the signs go on, cars go on the left, you go on the right. It's a brilliant system.
And if
haven't
you
even seen that in Norway.
If you stop, there's this voice that'll tell you to keep on moving.
Yeah. Can I take a sweat break?
Oops.
Y para mí, una cerveza.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Salud.
For the past few months, I've been learning Spanish with a podcast called Coffee Break Spanish. And this tour of the 7 islands was the perfect opportunity to practice and learn as much as possible. So as we kept on climbing, my earpods were telling the story of Spanish language, its background, and the tricky grammar. And Gran Canaria was quite the classroom to be learning in.
Basically trying to get to the center of the island, but because the island is full of gorges, even though you go up, eventually you need to go up, down and then up again. So hopefully we'll get today to a place called Presa de las Niñas, which is the dam of the girls.
And before we were in that valley, which is way down. So you can imagine how much that actually is.
I think, today we started at sea level and we're gonna sleep at 1300 meters or 1400 meters, so now we're a bit crazy. We finally made it to our destination. It's Presa de las Niñas. And the good thing is that camping is allowed here if you ask for the permit. And we did ask for a permit, so we can just put our tent even though there's people and light, and we can have a nice evening.
Okay, tell us some more.
Yeah, we were told today by a guy that there were many, that you could actually camp wherever you wanted in the past, but there were many fires because of accidents. So they
Stupid
removed, yeah, they removed most of the camping spots, and now there's only a few left in the center of the island, and you have to ask for this permit. So later there will be someone coming to check that we are.
Many was.
That it's touching me. Good morning. Yesterday we slept down there. We put our tent and we woke up to a lovely morning in front of this nice lake. And the cool thing is that camping is allowed here. Look at that. Where are we going today?
I think Tejeda?
Tejeda, yes.
Tejeda.
How much do we have to climb today?
500 meters.
You looking forward?
No.
It's quite hot, right?
At least we have asphalt. That's already a lot better.
Yes.
While the climbing made us incredibly tired, the relaxed rules on camping out made our ride much more laid back than in other places. Discovering the permit system was a blessing, and we recommend anybody cycling or hiking these islands to check in with the local governments about getting one.
Okay, so what's probably our favorite camp spot in Gran Canaria? What's so good about it?
The views. We spotted it from the road. It was a tough descent, but top views.
The morning was even better looking. Riding the curvy roads without a sign of traffic, in the brisk morning air and surrounded by beauty, was almost unbelievable. To us, it felt like something out of a dream.
Where we are?
Yes.
We're in Tejeda. It's considered to be one of the most beautiful towns in Spain. And I agree. Welcome to another beautiful camp spot.
Yes. This is, what's the name actually?
Llanos de la Mimbre.
And we have just set up our tent here, the bikes, done a wash. I'm about to wash in the toilets over there.
Toilets there. And there is no one today because it's Sunday.
Yeah, absolutely no one. So if you come here, come on Sunday, on the end of the weekend or on a working day, and you're probably guaranteed that nobody will be here if you're in the off season. So as you can see, this is the setup. We have our trusted chairs, we have the tent, which I think will set up like this for the night. Just put the cover halfway. We've done a wash. This is the way we organize, and now I'm gonna wash myself. We're gonna cook a nice meal, Belén is going to take you to a special viewing point. And that's about it.
Let's see. Yes, we got a view. Oh wow. Down there is Agaete. It's the village we were 4 days ago. It's taken us 4 days to get all the way up here. Wow, look at this viewpoint. Oh, I wish we would have put the tent there.
What a view. The forest of the upper plains of Gran Canaria are lush, give the island its shade and saturation, and the locals have played with it nicely by adding ample resting spots, stylish viewing points, and even proper campsites. One like Llanos de la Mimbre, where people can come and go freely to camp out for the night and admire these wonderful views, gives so much opportunity for everyone to connect with nature and with themselves. All in all, the island spoiled us and made us wish the next one was going to be just as extraordinary. For those who would like to support future tours and video series like these, feel free to check out the Patreon link below.